Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Google Maps and enabling your device location. This gives live orientation. Once done, tap the blue dot on mobile to center the map on you, because orientation locks to your heading from sensors. On desktop, click the target icon to recenter, then switch to satellite if you need visible landmarks. Make sure location accuracy is high, move slightly if the dot is pulsing. This initial alignment sets up the compass reading you'll use next. Once centered, use the compass control. Tap it to point the map north up, or leave it off to have the map follow your device heading. On mobile, rotate the map with 2 fingers or physically turn your device. The blue arrow shows your facing direction. On desktop, click and drag with the right mouse button or press Ctrl plus arrow keys to rotate. Make sure the red north indicator is visible. If not, tap the compass to reveal it and confirm true north orientation. To finish, confirm that the red needle or the map's top equals north. The little N marks true north. You can verify by comparing with known landmarks or using sunrise/sunset direction for extra confidence. If the map seems off, recalibrate your device compass by moving it in a figure-8 motion or toggle location and GPS off and on. If problems persist, restart the app or device. This refreshes sensors and usually corrects orientation errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.